Hey guys, I know you've been looking for most popular online jobs. Here's my top 25 to start from. Stay tuned to know how clicking the links can bring you money. In the recent years, the opportunities for working at home have gained tremendous popularity. This is because most of the people these days look for an extra source of income for ensuring that they can get the right kind of financial support for meeting the increasing cost of living in different countries. Even though this type of working from home through online jobs is gaining importance and popularity, many people keep away from such opportunities because of the many scams prevailing out there. But there are a number of online jobs where not only you can earn extra income, but you can make a full-time career. Either you are looking for online jobs to earn extra income as a full-time profession, there are a number of popular online work you can start. Content writing can be suitable for you if you are interested in writing, and you can find openings for content writers in many freelancing websites available on the internet and can apply accordingly. Here you will have to create content for websites after understanding the nature of the business. Editing and proofreading can be suitable for you if you are good at English grammar and can edit the contents created by writers. Article writing is different from content writing, and there are many article directories that pay for writers who can create quality articles. You can use sites like Elance, Odesk, Freelancer.in, Fiverr, and many others to look for the projects for all type of writing projects. Blog writing is a job wherein you can create a blog for yourself and can share your ideas and thoughts about an area of your interests. When your blog posts are good enough to attract more traffic, advertisers will come forward to post their banner ads on your blog. When the visitor on your blog clicks the ads for visiting the website of the advertiser, you can earn income from the advertiser. Online marketing is one of the top online jobs from which you can earn from marketing the business of other companies. But for doing this job, you should have knowledge about different online marketing techniques like search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, link building, and others. Online academic tutoring is a job wherein you can teach small children through computer, and you can use the facilities like Skype to interact with students and can clarify their doubts then and there. Either you can start your own through a network or create a website and promote it online. Online English tutoring can also be a good idea if you're good at English. There are millions of people who want to learn basics to advanced English. Logo designing services can be offered to small businesses looking for appealing logos. One of the hottest online jobs, and Fiverr.com is one of the best places you can start logo designing service. Translation services can also be offered right from your home through internet. If you're good at a regional language, you can search for such job opportunities. Medical transcription services can be offered from your home after receiving the appropriate training for the same. Affiliate marketing can also be done from your home, and you will have to market the products of other companies through your website or blog. You will earn from advertisers for taking care of their marketing work. If done properly, it can earn you great income. Website designing services can be done from the comfort of your home, and these can be done after you gain knowledge in some designing software programs. You need to have the knowledge of HTML, HTML5, PHP, CSS, and other programming knowledge to work on this internet work. Public relations specialist positions can also be found to work from home. Graphic designing jobs can also be done right from the comfort of your home after getting appropriate training. Text preparers who can work from their home are also hired these days by companies to take care of their text filling work. Accounting positions are also outsourced in the same way, wherein you will have to manage the accounting transactions of businesses from your home. If you are good at programming, you can also work as a computer programmer from the comfort of your home. You can find projects through freelancing websites. If you are good at networking and hardware engineering, you can search for system administration positions to work from a remote location. If you can take care of the designing work like a brochure, pamphlet, and similar advertising materials, you can search for brochure designing positions through the internet. App designers are in great demand these days, and there are many good tools available for carrying out this work. If you're good at programming language, you can offer app designing services. Initially, you can create an app for yourself as sample and you can show it when employers ask for copies of previous works. You need to get the training if you want to start this online job. Online share trading can be a lucrative business that can be done at the comfort of your home. This can be somewhat risky, and you need to have the proper knowledge of share market and its ups and downs if you want to start this. Data entry operators are in great demand these days, and you can find these openings from freelancing websites. Here, you will have to enter certain details after searching them over the internet. There are a number of online data entry jobs available. Pay-per-click is a concept that is gaining popularity, and under this concept, you will have to just click some links that will take you to some websites, and you will be paid for visiting those websites. Product reviews can be written, and there are some companies willing to pay writers for reviewing their products. Online selling is another lucrative opportunity where you can sell your old and unused stuff and can earn from the proceeds. Thank you for watching this video, and we have plenty more videos, so stay tuned with our channel.